best part about being a part of the assembly is just like the feeling of having the whole school united as like in one event, and just like the energy in the room is really fun.
For me, being and part of the assembly was a really big deal for me this year because it's my senior year, so it's like I got to go out with a bang doing something I really love.
I won Spirit King. Yeah, it was pretty fun. Well, it just required a lot of effort, a lot of creativity in the outfits. My favorite Spirit Day was Guess Who Day, just because I got to see a lot of different people dressing up as different characters. It was pretty funny.
My favorite Spirit Day this year was probably just College Day. It's really cool to see basically the whole school participating because it's a really easy day.
I liked Red Out because I love seeing the whole entire student body wearing all one color.